Once upon a time, in the heart of the African savannah, lived a small and sprightly serval kitty named Seraphina. She had beautiful golden fur, with black spots that made her look like a tiny leopard. Every day, Seraphina would venture out to play near the river, chasing butterflies and frolicking with her friends. But one day, something unexpected happened. As she was playing near the riverbank, she saw a young antelope trapped in a thicket. The antelope was struggling, and she knew she had to help. Without a moment's hesitation, Seraphina bravely approached the thicket. With a mighty leap, she reached the antelope and gently nudged it free. The antelope, grateful for her help, bounded away, leaving Seraphina with a sense of pride and accomplishment. From that day forward, the animals of the savannah spoke highly of Seraphina, the brave serval kitty who would always help those in need. And every night, as she lay under the starry African sky, Seraphina would dream of more adventures and the many friends she would help along the way. As the sun set and the moon rose, Seraphina would curl up in her cozy den, knowing that she had made a difference in the lives of those around her. And as she drifted off to sleep, she would whisper to herself, "Tomorrow is another day to help and play, and I will always be ready." And so, the story of the brave serval kitty, Seraphina, spread throughout the African savannah, inspiring all the animals to be kind and brave, just like their friend Seraphina.